Okay, so this is embarrassing as hell, okay? This is the current state of my house. This is what I'm going to try to get completely clean today, because once again, it's driving me nuts, and I'll explain why things are where they are. Okay, started my bathroom. Obviously, everyday wipes. His toothbrush, toothpaste, he uses 2 different kinds. Yes, the water is running. That's normal. That's good. Okay. This is a face scrubby, which is nasty, and I'm trying to figure out how to clean it. These are my beautiful jewelry boxes. I love these things to death. They were his mom's. So, as you guys know, I am an anchor. Oh, it's singing! He said it rarely does that, but I am an anchor fiend. This, part of my, Instagram name is not going down. But I'm not gonna go down like an anchor does in the ocean with the chronic illnesses that I fight on a daily basis. I refuse to go down, so that's pretty well what that means to me. I want to get it tattooed, but I'm too scared to. We have body wipes. Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna show you guys this. This is cool. So this is mine. Okay. Obviously girly stuff. Body sprays, except for all my Bodycology sprays went missing in this move, and I hate that. Dentapix, dental sticks, whatever the hell they're called. My eye drops. Hair perfume, body perfume, toothbrush, toothpaste. Pond's, this is my favorite. This is my ride or die. I absolutely love this. And then Cetaphil. So, that's what's in mine. I'm not going to show you his, because his. But that's supposed to be in there. These are supposed to be right there. And this needs to be folded up. Oh my god, you guys. So, this is tongue rings, belly rings, industrials. Got a compliment on my earrings today. Hoops. And stools. I had to buy the extra backs because they didn't come with backs. So, there's that. I gotta put my hangers away. This is dirty. Started a dirty pile right there. Again, these are both antique boxes. This is how I F with the dogs. Anyway. Mismatched earrings, which I might have to throw out because the lady has not sent them to me. Lady, I know you know my channel. Please send them to me. My address, I will direct message to you. So, that's all this setup. This is all, like, extras, and this is all hair care stuff down here. Nasties. My shower stuff, and then I pick an outfit for the day. This is a Star Wars outfit, except for if I don't put it in the right way, it drives me nuts. And then my shower stuff. So, there's that. All of his stuff is over here. We don't currently use the shower because we don't have no propane. So, there's that. I hate finding random shit. This is his motorcycle jacket. Yes, he has a motorcycle, but we don't have it with us. Dishes. Dishes. More dishes. Yes, you are currently seeing the current state of my house. What the hell is all over here? Do I have to? Do I have to finish all that? No? Okay, well, continue. This is his little area. My tablet's over there for watching makeup compilation videos. That is all my makeup right there. All of that is my little area, my little TV. That's the front door. We have another one in the bedroom, which I'll show you guys later. The bedroom's a whole different video in itself, to be honest. But this is my kitchen. My little kitchen area. Yes, you are staring at all my dishes. I set some to soak. I'm going to switch the trash out, take the trash out. If you guys don't know, I have to drive everywhere here now. Yeah. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye.